This is a very quick tutorial on how to set up your Edmodo classroom. First of all, go to the website called edmodo.com, edmodo.com. Next up, go ahead and press on or click on where it says I'm a teacher. And it should take you to a quick sign in form. Create a username. For mine, I try to keep it as my school email account, but for this we'll just put sample class 2013. Create a password. Once again, I'd recommend keeping it the same as your school email, but for this we'll say sample class. Email, once again, the same as your email address for your school. And from here, it's just putting in your name. Your students are going to see this as your full first and last name with the Mr. or Miss or Mrs. So make sure that it is what you want them to see. From here, I'll just agree to the terms of service and press sign up. And I am in, and at this point, I can create my own URL to make it easier for colleagues to find me. My students are going to find me a different way. So if this is not a priority for you, then you can skip this step, but we'll put in sample class 2013, see if it comes up. Oh, it's already taken. So since this is a sample class, it says it's created successfully. And next we'll select our school. So this will allow me to just designate the school that I'm at. We're at Nellie Kaufman Middle School. And it shows up right here. So go ahead and select the school. Last step is to follow communities. And from here you can follow the different subject or interest area of your choice. I'm going to skip this step. Now, to create your own class for each period, if that's what you're looking to do, you can go over here where it's got the chair saying create your first group. And your group name might be period 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. It might be whatever class it is that you're teaching. Select the grade, your subject area, and you can get more specific. Once you're done, you'll go ahead and press create. And at this point, you have your class set up. All you need to do at this point is give the students the group code. In this case, I would give them NJAQ2J and have them sign in. Once I have all my students signed in, I'm going to lock the group code, or I'm going to reset the group code. What this does is it keeps it from being a distraction where students can create false accounts and go in and post things that are inappropriate. Next up, you can share your folders, create assignments, and do a lot more with that. We're going to get into that a little bit later, but just as a heads up, you can either post a note to your class saying, hey class, the homework is. Alert saying we have a quiz coming up. It's a 140 character max, kind of like a tweet. You can create an assignment built into Edmodo. Load or create a quiz, or set up a poll if you're having your students do any type of voting. So a lot of really cool things that you can do with Edmodo. This is just a start. Hopefully this helps, and enjoy setting up your Edmodo classroom.